move towards bio-based and renewable materials. And the way we implement it in our projects, and we can go from project to project, but we always look at what do we learn from this project and how can we share those learnings with our colleague architects. And we like to think in platforms and scalability and replicability, and because it's 21st century. And why do we do that? And I can keep the knowledge to myself, but I can only make one project, while the challenge is very big. So if I share the knowledge and inspiration for also my colleague architects to take advantage of that knowledge, so all of us can help society to move forward faster, because eventually it's for the next generation we have to take our responsibility. So we try to share a lot of knowledge and be generous about sharing what we've learned. Almost, and of course I'm optimistic to say yes, we have to, and we have to use our imagination and inventions and innovations to really build our cities as closed-loop systems. I showed an example of the indoor urban farming, which actually consumes organic waste and produces fresh, healthy food, while it gives heat to the neighborhood and it consumes the energy of the sun. So that's one waste stream, and the organic waste is being produced or translated into fresh food. Another waste stream is the city produces concrete materials and mineral materials by destruction or deconstruction, and we can use those elements in the principle of New Horizon. Is a concrete manufacturing company. They use 70% old concrete to make new concrete. So if you imagine the city as a pool of resources, then I think we can use the city to make the new city, and eventually it should be a closed loop, like actually nature. Nature is a very beautiful, engineered marvel we can hardly imagine, and we are trained engineers. But if we look at nature and learn from the beauty of nature and try to mimic that in the way we build and think about cities and the way we close loops, I think we can create beautiful futures together. But we need everybody in the room, the professors, the engineers, the architects, the philosophers, to think about this bright future, and then we can take the future here.